So I have this client who happens to own a nationwide furniture company, and we get a phone call from them, and they didn't have our program. And what had happened here is the furnace air conditioning system up in the attic again, and the filter had gotten very dirty. And as a result, the return air duct had collapsed. And somebody forgot to, they just left the air conditioner running, and the house was vacant for a couple of weeks. So it never cooled off in the house because the return air duct had collapsed, and it became basically a giant snowball in the attic that kept melting and then freezing again, and then melting and freezing again. Well, all this water was displaced throughout the attic and happened to work its way through the attic and then into the home. The ceilings, were bulging, and water was pouring through those. And then that got all over the flooring, which was over the stairs, hardwood stairs, and that all got destroyed. And then on top of that, to add insult to injury, they had this really expensive chandelier hanging from the ceiling. And nobody really wanted to move it because it was a one-of-a-kind piece and very, very expensive. And of course, it was over the stairs, a couple stories up. And it was just a disaster. And had they had a clean filter, a simple clean filter, all this aggravation could have been avoided. And really, we included in our service when we come out, whether we're looking at your furnace or your air conditioner, filters included. And it's just a great value. So you might want to consider Kalka Care and avoid these types of issues.